Hello again. Today we have this 17-inch Dell laptop. This is Dell Inspiron N7010. Laptop is working fine, but the customer wants us to replace the CMOS battery because every time he powers on the laptop is showing that the BIOS was reset. He did try to do it himself, but since there's a lot of screws which needs to be removed and he's scared, so pretty much we need to do this for him. And since I got a lot of other work, we'll try to do this as fast as possible. Pretty much we need to remove the keyboard, we need to remove the upper plastic, and after that, when we leave the plastic, the CMOS battery should be under the plastic. So let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws on the back. All these screws should be the same size. We will leave only this one because I think we won't remove this plastic because it's on a separate piece. So let's remove some screws. All the screws are the same size except the one on the DVD and the 3 screws which are under the optical drive. So keep that in mind. Now let's flip the laptop. We need to remove the keyboard. In order to do so, we'll need something sharp. Just put something sharp and just try to open it. This laptop has been opened before, as I see the marks. Disconnect the keyboard. I don't think we need to remove this cable. We're gonna remove only the cable here for the power button and for the touchpad, and I think all this should come off. We have some screws on this side, also the same size. Now let's try to separate it. Let me use something plastic. Okay, I think we need to remove. We forgot 2 screws here next to the battery. Also the same size. So I think it should be fine now. Yeah, like this. And here's our battery. It's absolutely standard 2032 battery. So just remove it and let's put the new one. Laptop is clean. Tight the screws on the hinges just in case. Just insert the battery, click it, and that's it. And now we have to do everything on a reverse. We're gonna put the cover, we're gonna put the screws, let's plug the cables back. This one is for the power button, and for the touchpad. Now let's plug the keyboard. Press it like this and try to lock it. Yeah, like this. Now we have to put the screws under the optical drive and put all the rest of the screws. The small screw, everything else is the same size. The customer count the screws, probably he saw a video or something, he says they're about 40, so yeah. No screws left, so we are fine. Now let's see, is this thing have a battery or have to plug the charger? Yeah, we have a battery. Let's wait for the picture. Yeah, we have a picture, so pretty much the only thing I gotta do, yeah, the message. The only thing I gotta do now is just set the date and call the customer. So that's the whole video. I hope you like it. Bye bye.